Good evening, I'm Karen Swenson.
And I'm Sharice Gibson. So nobody wants to pay thousands more for flood insurance.
But that is what lawmakers are worried about with a new system in place for setting flood insurance rates. As Jade Cunningham reports, they think FEMA's new plan, Risk Rating 2.0, will send premiums soaring.
Laura, Delta, Zeta, Ida. Southern Louisiana has seen its fair share of storms over the past 2 years. As people continue to clean up, there's now another concern. FEMA has launched a new flood insurance rate recalculation program that's raising red flags.
And it's clear that for some, premiums will become unaffordable and can collapse the value of their home.
It's called Risk Rating 2.0. FEMA says the annual payment is now based specifically on a person's property instead of the area, meaning rates will be determined on how likely their home will flood and how much it would cost to fix it. FEMA says its new plan will decrease the annual flood insurance costs to more than 1 million homeowners nationwide. But Louisiana could see the opposite.
In Louisiana, 80% of policyholders will have increases in the first year. There's an example of a person in Lake Charles does not live in a flood zone, pays $572 for flood insurance on a single family home worth about $250,000. The quote he's received raises his policy tenfold to over $5,000.
According to FEMA, a homeowner with an existing policy should see an initial yearly increase of about $120, but it's unclear how much they'll pay annually after. Lawmakers want more information from FEMA, which they say has given few details. Southwest Louisiana Congressman Clay Higgins addressed that with the FEMA administrator Tuesday during a committee meeting.
Can we get a commitment from you today that FEMA will consider delaying the implementation of Risk Rating 2.0 until we get solid answers?
We can certainly get back to you with any of the specific information, but Risk Rating 2.0 has been implemented, and already individuals are seeing decreases in their insurance rates, which is the first time that this program has taken equity into account to make sure people are paying for the risk that they have.
But some argue only time will tell. Jay Cunningham, Eyewitness News.
Risk Rating 2.0 began Friday for people seeking new policies. For those who already have a flood policy, the new rates will go into effect starting next April. Clancy Dubose will have much more on the change coming up in tonight's commentary.